Your bank is lying to you. Well, they aren't lying, but they are keeping a secret. They want your $1,000 sitting in a savings account, earning pennies while inflation eats your purchasing power alive. The truth: $1,000 isn't small money. It's a seed, but if you plant it in the wrong place, it stays a seed. Most beginners freeze because the stock market feels like a casino. They don't know if they should buy a random meme stock or a boring index fund. That's where we come in. We've analyzed the most successful portfolio allocations for 2024 to strip away the noise and the jargon. In this video, I'm giving you the exact $1,000 blueprint. 3 diversified portfolios tailored to your specific risk tolerance. Whether you want to play it safe or go for maximum growth, you'll leave this video with a concrete plan to turn your first $1,000 into a wealth-building machine. Let's dive in. So you finally have $1,000. It's a great start, but now you're stuck. You open YouTube and it's a war zone. One guru tells you to go all in on crypto. Another says index funds are the only way. A third tells you to start a side hustle. Your brain is fried. You're paralyzed by analysis paralysis. So you do what most people do. You leave that money in a standard savings account. It feels safe, right? Wrong. While that money sits there, inflation is eating it alive. Your $1,000 is literally losing purchasing power every single hour. Here is the part your bank won't tell you. They love it when you're scared. They take your safe deposits, invest them in the market, and keep the massive profits for themselves. They give you pennies in return. You aren't being cautious. You're being played. The biggest risk isn't the stock market. It's the risk of doing nothing, while the gap between you and financial freedom gets wider. You don't need a fortune to start. You just need a concrete blueprint that actually works for 2024. Most people think $1,000 isn't enough to actually invest. They think they need a windfall or a trust fund to get started. That's exactly what your bank wants you to believe. Your bank loves it when you leave your money in a standard savings account earning 0.01%. Why? Because they lend that same money out to others at 7% and pocket the difference. Today, we stop being the product and start being the owner. Depending on your goals and how much risk you can stomach, I've designed 3 distinct blueprints for your first $1,000. Blueprint 1, the conservative path. This is for you if the thought of your balance dropping even 5% makes you lose sleep. We split this 50-50. $500 goes into a high-yield savings account or a money market fund. This is your sleep well at night money. It's liquid, safe, and currently paying decent rates. The other $500, put it into a total stock market index fund like VTI. With VTI, you aren't betting on one company. You're buying a tiny piece of nearly every public company in the US. Low stress, steady growth. Blueprint 2, the moderate path. This is the sweet spot. Here, we go 70% into a broad index fund like VOO, that's the S&P 500. You're betting on the 500 largest, most successful companies in America. The remaining 30%. We move into dividend-paying stocks or an ETF like SCHD. This is where the magic of passive income starts. You aren't just waiting for the stock price to go up. You're getting paid quarterly just for owning the shares. Blueprint 3, the aggressive path. This is for the Gen Z and millennials who have a long time horizon. You can handle a bumpy ride if it means a massive destination. 60% goes into the NASDAQ 100, ticker symbol QQQ. This is heavy on tech, AI, and innovation. 30% goes into small cap growth funds. These are the smaller companies with the potential to become the next Amazon or Nvidia. And the final 10%. That's your moonshot fund. This is for high-risk assets. Crypto, individual growth stocks, or even investing in your own side hustle. High risk, but this is where the 10x gains live. Now, here is the secret your brokerage won't emphasize. The blueprint matters, but the asterisk habit asterisk matters more. $1,000 is the seed. But a seed doesn't become a forest overnight. The goal isn't to hit it big once. The goal is to automate. Set up a recurring transfer, even if it's just $50 a month, into these portfolios. Stop waiting for the perfect market entry. The perfect time was 10 years ago. The second best time, right now. Now, the biggest hurdle isn't the money. It's the setup. To get these portfolios running, you need a reliable brokerage. I recommend using the link in the description for Vanguard or Fidelity to get started with zero commissions. And if you want to track your dividends and net worth in real time, check out the investment tracking software linked below. It's a game changer for staying motivated. Here is the reality. $1,000 today isn't just $1,000. If you put that into a moderate portfolio with an 8% average return in 30 years, that single investment grows to over $10,000 without you lifting a finger. That is the power of starting now. If this blueprint gave you a concrete starting point, hit that subscribe button. Join thousands of others building their financial freedom. Grab the tools in the description, start your portfolio today, and I'll see you in the next video.